Today we're going to bring on a solar light, street solar light, very powerful. We're going to put the description in here, how many watts, voltage, and lumens it has. Now they do give you the pole mount. They give you actually two parts of the pole mount, so this could grab on either if you have a pole or you could just mount this to an actual wall. All right, they give you the controller, remote control in here. Of course, they include all the actual bolts that you're going to need, including some of the tools to tighten it up. And even for brick and any kind of cement through, you have to go through these kind of bolts, or you could provide your own. Most of the times I provide my own because sometimes they're a little bit too small, too strong, not enough. So, you know, it's up to you how you want to approach this. So very easy to set up these systems. In fact, the LEDs themselves, they got a night to day mode, IP65, waterproof, snow, rain, shine, any kind of wind that you have. This includes an actual solar panel. Now, let me give you a little recommendation of what happens with the solar panel. If you live in the windy condition, you got to make sure that the solar panel will not fly off because it becomes like a sail. So make sure you even it out and enough raise to the actual solar panel too. So that's a big one. And the solar panel takes a majority of the actual box. It's underneath of it. We'll go a little bit more details, but we're going to set this up today. And also they give you where it's waterproof, you actually connect this to the solar panel, and the other end you actually waterproof it too also. And you, of course, you got plenty of LED lights. With the control, you can set up your hours. You could turn it off and on anytime you want, or keep it auto. I normally keep mine's auto, and every night at certain time, dusk, it turns on automatically. I don't have to worry about turning it off and on. And then day, it recharges throughout the day. And at night, it works around almost 12 to 15 hours, depending on the solar. I live in California, so I get plenty of sun. And this thing lasts for a couple years already. I've had mine over 4 years already. I have not had it to replace at all. And this is a newer generation. It's a better resistance to any kind of weather. And so it's gonna last you for even longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
We got a solar powered light. This is the panel. This is the light itself, which connects to the panel. We got all the stuff you need to install it. Comes with a remote control with different settings, which needs two AAA batteries.